So let us begin. Now, this is
Mhm.
Sergeant
Yes.
Tom's training, total of 14 slides. Should not take more than 20 minutes, and after that, we can have a bit of question and answers. Also, I will ask
Okay.
you to share your screen and we can go to pathway so you can understand the system better. I know you did that last week, but today we'll probably look at selecting a path and everything so that you are able to successfully navigate. Okay,
Okay.
I'm just going to hit F5 and we are going to start the training. Okay, so this is about the roles, responsibilities, and the resources available to a club sergeant at arms. A lot of this presentation is dedicated to a scenario where the meetings were physical in nature as they used to happen. But nowadays, meetings are virtual. I will try and cover as much of virtual as possible, but at the same time, try and understand that we still don't have updated slides from Toastmasters International for with regards to virtual meetings. Still, I'll try and explain. And if you still have questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. So, what is your role as Sergeant at Arms? First thing is your club property management. You have to coordinate the club meetings. You are also something called a tech master, which is that you will be managing. So, this is in virtual meetings
Mhm.
where you will be managing
Maybe
the
some changes in the boardroom.
where you will be managing the. Okay, I will need your full attention here. Uh,
Sorry. So just yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
where you will be managing the virtual meeting. You will be allowing
Mhm.
who comes in, who goes out, who has recording privileges, who does not have recording privileges. If people say that they want to share a screen, giving them permissions, even arranging the Zoom account, or in your case, the Teams account. Now, I know that somebody else does it for you. I'm not asking you to make sure that you arrange it. I'm just asking you to make sure that you get it arranged. You make
Okay.
sure that we have a meeting URL every week. Jyotsna might be doing it for us, but you just have to ensure that we have a meeting URL. Okay, a lot of this role is getting things done, not doing them yourself. Okay, I will tell you where you have to do things yourself and where you actually also have to where you have to get things done. Then there is something called the Club Leadership Handbook. It is item 1310. I will share it with you. I think I've already shared it with you. If not, I will share it with you again. Just go through that, particularly the section that relates to sergeants and sergeant at arms. What are your responsibilities? Your responsibilities are divided into three areas. One is during the club meeting, then outside the club meeting, and in the executive committee. Now, this is where it gets
Yeah.
slightly complicated because even within the club meeting, you have three
Mhm.
parts: before club meetings, on arrival at club meetings, and during club meetings. And then there is also after club meetings. So there is actually four parts. So before club meetings, you are supposed to confirm the room reservation, which in the case of ITPG will not be a challenge since you are meeting in that atrium or whatever you have downstairs, that knowledge area or something that Josna was telling me about. So that should not be a problem. You just have to confirm that the room is available. It is booked every Friday from 4 to 6. Okay. Ensure that there are club supplies. Now, I have received your charter kit where if and when I come to Gurgaon, I will drop it off with either Anuradha or with Jyotsna. You will take it from them and you will assume responsibility for them.
Oh.
Okay.
Mhm.
Most of them relate to the physical meeting only. Then you have to ensure the virtual meeting URL. Like I said, this is your task. I know that you might not have a Zoom account, you might not have access to Teams to set up a Teams meeting, but you just have to ensure that whosoever is the right person, they do their job. For example, so there are many things that you have to get done. That's it. For example, later on, you will see that after club meetings, you have to rearrange the room. You don't have to do it. Most probably, you'll have to call up admin and you'll say that, okay, we are done with our meeting. Just, perform the necessary cleanups and stuff. That's it. Okay. When you come to the club meetings, what are you supposed to do? First of all, arrange the meeting room early. In a physical meeting, it means that you have to set the tables and the chairs in the right position. Uh, Again, you don't have to do it. You can probably engage with the admin team. They can help you out. They can send out a person who will help you do it. But you are the one who is responsible for the layout, how the chairs will be arranged, how the tables will be arranged, what will be there on each table. Maybe you want to have a water bottle, maybe a can of Coke, maybe a packet of chips, maybe the ballots, the club property, maybe pen and paper and a notepad or something like that. Okay. Then arrange tables and chairs, set out meeting
Mhm.
materials and promotional material. So there are certain promotional material. It is there in the charter kit. I will share it with you and you can use those. Check the meeting environment. In that, is the AC on? Is the AC at an ambient temperature? Is the lighting okay? That sort of a thing. Okay. In the case of a virtual meeting, are people muted? Or are people? Do people have their videos on? Things like that. And ask guests to sign the guest book. We have a guest book in the charter kit. Usually these days we don't use the guest book. We simply use a Google form. We ask them to fill out a Google form and
Mhm.
register. That's it. Ensure naming conventions. So
Mhm.
in a meeting there are many roles. Okay, there is a general evaluator. There is a Toastmaster of the day. There is a table topics master. So you have to ensure that the Toastmaster of the day renames themselves as TMOD underscore followed by their name. The general evaluator names themselves as GE underscore followed by their names. Now these are things that I will explain to you during when we start having regular meetings. I will perform this role for you a couple of times so that you learn, and then I will let you do the roles. Okay. Ensure access control. Some people might want co-host access. Some people might not want co-host access. Some people might want to share screen. So ensure that they have the requisite access. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, and then if your organization allows, you start the meeting recording. Okay.
So Rupinder, will you share, just to cut you sorry,
Hmm.
will you share this PPT with me for further?
I will be
Will I
sharing.
get this?
I will share this PPT. I will also share the URL of this training so that
Oh,
you have everything, so that I set you up for success. It is in my interest that I set you up for success, because I will not be there with your club forever. Okay. I'm like here for
mhm.
the next 6 months or so as a mentor. Then I move on, and
Mhm.
you will have to take over. You will have to take it to the next level. Then during club meetings, you start the meeting on time. This is very important. So if you come to any of my clubs, be it Blue Quest, be it Turning Point, be it professional speakers, our meetings start on time. So professional speakers in particular, for example, our meetings start at 4 o'clock on Sunday. Now we have a running joke. We say that either our meeting will start at 4 or we will not let 4 o'clock happen.
Okay.
So we are that particular about time. So it is your job as a sergeant at arms, and many times you will face challenges because your president is not here, your toastmaster of the day is not here. Doesn't matter. You will start the meeting on time. If needed, you will become the presiding officer. You will become the toastmaster of the day. But the
Mhm.
meeting starts on time, no matter what happens. Okay.
Okay.
You start the meeting on a high. Your task is to introduce the president after reading out the club mission statement and the meeting rules. So you have to introduce the president in such a way that the president feels energized and raring to go for the meeting. You have to welcome late arrivals. So many times what we do is that we have a waiting room in Zoom. We must be having an equivalent in Teams. When people come and if there is a speaker on stage, you do not want to have them in the middle of a speech. So you make them wait. Once the
Mhm.
speech is over, you admit them in. Okay. Similarly, in a physical meeting, if there is a speech going on, you'll be sitting by the door. You will actually tell people to wait outside until the speech gets over. You will coordinate food service, if any. Once again, you are not required to make food. You are not required to prepare food. You are not required to get food. But if the food comes, you have to coordinate in such a way that there is a maintenance to the meeting.
कॉल पे हो
Hello.
Sorry, Rupinder. Yeah.
Okay. Um, Okay, so
No,
this
go
recording I
on.
will also be sharing with my area director and my division director. So I will need your attention here because,
Sure,
uh,
sure.
okay. Then you have to collect ballots and tally votes. Again, we haven't done this before, but for example, when we did the table topics, remember?
Mhm. Yeah.
So we can have a vote for the best table topic speaker and the best speech evaluation. Similarly, there will be votes for best speaker, best speech evaluator, best table topic speaker, best auxiliary role player, best role players. So you will be responsible for collecting the ballots and tallying the votes. You will manage the waiting room, like I said. You will also manage the ballots. And now this is for the virtual meeting, and you will mute people when required. So there will be a co-host access given to you. If anybody is speaking out of turn, you simply mute them. Okay. You will also remove undesired people. If
Mhm.
somebody is creating a ruckus, then it is your job to make sure that that person is removed from the room. Are you able to hear me properly?
Yeah, yeah. I am listening to you
No, no.
properly.
Is my audio coming through properly? Because I just saw a notification that my internet connection is unstable.
It's on a little lower. Your hello. I think you are on mute. Yeah,
You there?
yeah. I'm there. I
Hang on.
just
I actually am switching to a network, new network. So I'll be
okay.
quiet for
Yeah.
just 1 second. Okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you clear.
Okay. So where were we? We were on this slide. Right.
So you were telling me that we should mute people who are making ruckus in a meeting.
So there will be some people who unexpectedly become unmuted. Okay. So just mute them. That is what I do
Mm-hmm.
usually. There will be people who will create a ruckus. You have
Mm-hmm.
to remove them. Okay.
Okay.
So you,
Mm-hmm.
and it doesn't happen usually in the case of corporate club meetings like yours, but in
Mm-hmm.
community club, this often happens. And we actually tell them right at the beginning that, look, we have the right to remove you if you create an unnecessary ruckus. Resolve audio video issues. There will be some very common audio video issues. For example, if a person is having trouble with the video, we tell them to actually turn their video off and just use audio. If the person is having trouble with connectivity, we tell them to, for example, ask in the house to turn off any devices that might be using bandwidth, that sort of a thing. Okay.
Okay.
I,
Mm-hmm.
I do not expect you to actually ask them to share their screen and perform remote IT management for them. That is not
Mm-hmm.
what I'm asking, but basic audio video issues that people are having with respect to connectivity and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Coordinate with the timer, because your timer will be showing the cards. Just coordinate whether they will be doing it using share screen, or will they be changing the virtual background. Changing virtual background, no problem at all. You don't need special permission for that. Co- uh, but if they're going to share screen, then they will probably need co-host access, at least in Zoom. So just coordinate with them. After the club meeting, you return the room to the original configuration. Once again, I'm not asking you to perform, arrange tables and chairs, but at the very least, just give a call to the admin team, tell them that our meeting is over and we want the room to be sanitized for the next meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Pack up and store materials. Now this will, I'll be giving you a box. Make sure that everything goes back inside that box. Dispose of trash. In this digital age, we have very little trash, but if there is, then just make sure that it is properly disposed of. Stop
Mm-hmm.
the recording. Now, one of the things that we actually face a problem with most often is stopping the recording, especially when we are doing a YouTube live kind of a thing. Now, in order, so there is an order. So when we start the meeting, we say, okay, go to YouTube live. We go to YouTube live, and then we kind of say that, okay, stop YouTube live from within the application. That is when YouTube live stops. But if we close the application like this, and we've not stopped YouTube live, then YouTube will keep on recording a blank screen for the next couple of hours or 3 hours. So
Okay.
that is the kind of a challenge. Okay.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
also remember to stop the recording once the meeting is over, because people will be doing generic chit chat and you do not want that generic chit chat to be a part of your meeting.
Sure. Mhm.
End meeting for everyone. Make sure that everyone has exited the room, and then you're the last person to leave the room. Basically, you're the first person in and you're the last person out.
Mhm.
Okay. Upload and share the recording if required. If you've recorded, then share it with your club members. Okay. Then outside the club meeting, you are a part of an executive committee. You have to schedule the meeting location. In your case, it will not be a problem since you are meeting within the premises of ITPG. Corporate clubs usually do not have this problem. Ensure that adequate supplies are available. Now, once again, physical supply, everything is online these days. So physical supplies are less of a challenge, but in case there are, just ensure that they are available. You have to attend executive committee meetings. So that is something that we will schedule with the executive committee. Okay. You have to arrange for your replacement or assistance. So who's going to be the next sergeant at arms? You start deciding that right now. You identify your replacement and prepare your successor for office so that you are able to prepare them for success. The executive committee, you will update the executive committee on the club meeting space status. Okay, or how we are doing, whether we have our meeting space for the next meeting or not, or how far out do we have. Again, corporate clubs, no challenge. Community clubs, because we meet in rented facilities, we have to tell them that okay, we are safe until, let's say, March. We paid the fees until March. We paid the rent until March, and after March, we will probably need to, figure out a new way or figure out a new location or stuff like that. Work to coordinate the meeting space. Many times, sometimes, not many times. For example, Turning Point used to have physical meetings regularly. Now, I went there once. There was no light, and we were having a meeting in the basement. So we kind of had to improvise. We had an outdoor meeting. So those kind of things you will have to figure out. Chair the social and reception committee whenever there is a joint meeting between two clubs, and there will be joint meetings between you and the other club so that you learn. You have to be in charge of providing support from the ITPG side on the logistical issues, and replace items as needed. Again, inventory management. So getting started, you have to attend the district sponsored club officer training program. This actually is a district sponsored club officer training program because I took permission from our program quality director. He's given the approval, and I will share the recording with them. And once they approve, then you will be marked as having attended the meeting. Read the materials that I have shared with you. Meet with the outgoing. In this doesn't apply to you since there is no outgoing executive committee. Just come to me or Vishakha if you have a challenge. We are your club mentors. Again, not applicable to you. Meeting with meeting with
Rupinder,
yeah.
Rupinder, just give me 1 minute, huh? One,
Sure,
10
sure, sure,
seconds. Yeah? Just
sure.
10.
So
Sorry for that.
no worries, I had paused the recording. So again, this meeting with outgoing sergeant at arms is not a requirement with you since you are the first sergeant at arms, you're the charter sergeant at arms. Meeting with the current executive committee, which is your executive committee, which is Saurabh, uh, Nitesh, and Amarjeet right now. And introduce yourself to the meeting space contact. In your case, it will be the admin team. And find help. You will not be able to do this on your own. You will probably need people to help you out. Now,
Mhm.
these are the two scripts. I will share this presentation with you. And this is what you're supposed to say in the beginning, in the case of online meetings and in the case of physical meetings. I will just give you a brief preview
Okay.
as to what it says. It's a PDF document. Okay, and since this is getting recorded, this will also come. And in any case, I will be sharing the presentation with you. Okay,
That
so
will help.
yeah, do go through all of this. So this is what you're supposed to read out. You say, welcome to meeting number, whatever is the meeting number of ITPG Toastmasters. I'm Harsh Sandeep, the Sergeant at Arms for today. And then you recite the club mission statement. This is like sacrosanct. Um, this is uniform across all clubs. And this has to be read word for word. And then just read out the script for the audience, for the role players, and the Zoom. And then you introduce the presiding officer and you get the meeting in motion.
Okay.
Similarly, we have
Okay.
a script for physical meetings. I will cover this when we get into physical meetings, not now, because then I'll be physically present there. These are the resources you have. Ensure that you go through these resources, and that's pretty much it. Do you have any questions?
No, so not much questions, but once I go through those resources which you just shared and the PPT again,
Mhm.
and so that I can walk through the idea, then I can get back to you if I have.
No worries at all. Feel free to reach out. Feel free to ask questions. One of the things why people do not succeed at Toastmasters is that they don't ask questions when they're supposed to ask questions. And then
Okay.
when you kind of ask them, then they say, oh, I did not know this. I did not know this because I was not asking questions at the right time. So feel free to reach out. Feel free to ask questions. We are there to help. I am there. Vishaka is there. Your area director, Ragini, is there. And between the three of us, we will be able to figure out any possible situation you're facing. So including but not limited to, look, I'm not able to find time. Can you help me out? We will be able to help you out. So
Okay.
between the three of us, we've got over 8 years of experience in Toastmasters. And there isn't a situation we've not faced. I've been a sergeant arms like 3 times for a club. I immensely enjoyed this role. And I actually grew when I was in this role.
That
So
will help me actually.
yeah. So whatever support you need, just reach out. Just reach out,
Sure.
just ask, just say that, look, I'm not able to do this week. How can you help? And I will figure out a way for you.
Sure.
Okay. Now I
Sure.
want you to share your screen with me so that we can actually select a path for you first of all, and then we can probably, and then I'll let you go. It's going to take about 5 minutes maximum, 5 to 10 minutes. Just share your screen. You don't have screen sharing rights as of now, I think. I just give you screen sharing rights.
Okay. Yeah. So
Open a browser window and just share that browser window with us, with me. Are you able to share? Great.
can you see the screen? Yeah.
I can see a screen that says US02 Zoom. Okay, we can use this window. Any window you want, we can use that.
Okay.
And give us a solution.
Just open a browser window. We'll use the browser window. It can be Chrome. It can be Internet Explorer. It can be anything. Just open a
Yeah.
browser window.
Just so no.
In case you have two screens, then understand that just share the screen, the one that you want to share.
Yeah, I'm just closing now. There are so many windows.
Oh, Windows.
Okay.
D.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to,
This will work.
yeah, go to toastmasters.org. Just hit enter.
Okay.
Click on login at the top. And you don't have your password as of now, so scroll down and click
What
on,
will be my member ID?
I'll tell you. Just click on forgot password. and enter your email. Now just check your email. You will receive an email from Toastmasters International asking you to reset your password.
Mhm.
Just search Toastmasters.
Yeah, I got.
Yeah,
So there is a link. I should
yeah.
click this.
Maximize. You can enter numbers also. I mean, it's kind of flexible with that. Does not place any conditions as such. Just hit submit. A
Okay.
password that you will not forget.
Hmm.
Okay, now that you're done, let's go back to our original window, that one that we had opened. Or is this the same window where you had opened Toastmaster? Yeah, there is the forget password. Uh, I think this should now change. Just click on login once again.
So I think it's
Okay, okay. Just say no. Just say no. Just say yes to email. Sorry. Say yes to email because you want to receive information. Just say no to mail. Scroll down. Scroll down. And third party no. And phone no. Scroll down. And just say no. No, you to your name on public reports. You can change it later. I will show how you can do it.
okay.
Save. Just hit save. Okay. Now, okay, it should say welcome followed by your name. Just refresh this page once. Huh, interesting. Okay. Just click on that welcome message at the top. The one that says welcome, comma at the top in yellow. Yeah. Now this is your Toastmasters profile page. Okay.
Hmm.
Just scroll down. Scroll down. Mm, Now this is your membership ID. You might want to copy paste it and save it in a safe place. Now, what I want you to do is add a secondary email address. Go up, scroll up. Okay, just a little bit down. I'm sorry, just scrolled by too fast. Um,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. You know more about it than I do already. Just go to contact information. This is where you can change your privacy and consents also. Scroll down,
Mhm.
scroll down. In the secondary email, enter your personal email ID. I'll tell you the reason why, because tomorrow you might not be with this organization and you
Sure.
don't want
Mhm.
the email coming there because then it will bounce off. Okay, just save contact information. Just save the contact information. Brilliant. Now this is the page. Scroll up and just close this window. This is the page where you can edit everything about yourself or view everything about yourself. Remember in the last time when we spoke about pathways, I told you about Navigator, that everybody is supposed to download the Navigator. This is where you can do the Navigator. I don't want you doing that right now. What I want you to do is choose a path. Click on choose a path. And we covered this also. Just say accept. And we covered this last time. So, okay, we are undergoing scheduled maintenance. Scroll
I
down.
think the site is.
Yeah. I know. I understand what is the challenge. So we'll have to stop it here.
Okay.
But Mitesh has chosen a path, and Sandeep has chosen a path. Just work with them, choose a path for yourself, and let me know what is the path that you have chosen.
Okay.
Okay. That's it from my side. Do you have any questions as such that I can answer?
So can you brief me about the path? So what exactly we have to do in that?
Remember that week when we did pathways last week, I said that there are 11 paths, learning paths that you can choose from. There's something called
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
leadership and engaging humor and stuff. So basically, we were going to choose that path right now, and
Okay.
but we could not, because right now the website is undergoing scheduled maintenance. If you don't look at it, it's already saying welcome something. It's not giving your name. So I think it's because of that only that it is giving you that. It's not.
So I can log in again and then I can do it. Maybe.
Yeah, you can choose the path yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll let you
Sure.
know when this thing comes up again, and we can possibly, you can do it. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you
Rupendra.
so much for
Thank you,
your,
Rupendra. Thank you for this. Yeah.
yeah.
It was.
I
Yeah.
will stop the recording.